What's up guys, it's Warren back here with simple, actionable financial education. Smash that like button on your way in and subscribe if you're not already. So today's video is a follow-on from last week's video on how to start a YouTube channel whilst in a full-time job. What we're going to cover in this video is how to make money on your YouTube video without being monetized.
Yeah.
And the YouTube revenue streams that you could take advantage of to earn extra money. So let's quickly clarify how monetization works in YouTube. As it currently stands, you need 1,000 subscribers, guys, and you need to have built up 4,000 hours, not minutes, I made that mistake myself, of watch time within the period of 1 year to be able to be approved for YouTube's partner program. I don't know why I did that.
Okay.
And become monetized. Once you become monetized, you're able to start placing ads in your videos, which earns you money. And that's how you make money on YouTube. And you have to be 18 also. Now let's get into these revenue streams. The first YouTube revenue stream is income from affiliate links. So I'm never going to be one to constantly bombard my audience with links and promotions and sales pitches. I can promise you that, guys, because that is annoying. Nobody's got time for that. It puts you off. But there are certain videos where I will mention tools and resources that I use, such as eToro, TubeBuddy and Fiverr, that are really good. Why? Because this channel is all about helping you to achieve financial freedom. And there are tools and resources out there which have helped me personally on my own journey to achieving this. And because of this, I believe that they can help you too. They've worked for me. And in so doing, guys, the benefits are mutual in that you get put onto tools and resources that can help you achieve your financial freedom and get you extra income. And when you use these, I get a referral fee each time one of you use these. That's how affiliate links work, guys. And the great thing is that you can make money through this revenue stream without actually being monetized. So you don't need to have the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of watch time. This is just a personal thing. And when we look at the type of affiliates that I use, this is a personal thing, but I only like to include links to tools, products and services that I personally use myself, guys, such as eToro, Fiverr, Get Around, because I personally wouldn't feel right recommending just any old product or service or website. I genuinely feel a duty of care to protect you guys. And I think that comes from my banking background, guys. When we're offering products and services to clients, we have to make sure that it's in their best interests. So I really want to protect you guys, and that's something to consider with regard to your own audiences, guys. You really want to protect them.
Message!
Next up is merchandising. This is a great way to monetize your YouTube channel as it lets you control all the aspects of that revenue stream. So this involves you producing merchandise that people want and what people can buy. And that can include brandable items that can be sold, such as t-shirts.
Gang, I am closing the merch store. You only got 48 hours to go and cop the last items in the Trap Law merch store.
Sweatshirts.
Looking for some high-level gaming gear? Check out Base. Okay, but of what?
Caps, mugs, pens, etc. with your logo on or stuff that you've designed. But also digital products. This is where I'm really a fan, guys, which are really a fantastic option in the digital age that we live in. People today love digital products that they can open up and access on their phones, on their laptops. And these are things like online courses, ebooks, apps, etc. Again, you don't need to be monetized to do merchandising, guys. It's especially advisable for content creators that want to create strong communities with their audience. So if you find a lot of people identifying with your content and a brand, then you should seriously consider merchandising, guys. It's really important to know your audience before creating products to sell to them, guys. For example, if your channel is, say, health and fitness, your audience are probably going to want to see a product linked to that. So something like, say, an eating plan or an exercising plan or active wear that you can brand and put some kind of logo on, etc. You know, a pen or a paperweight probably wouldn't be as useful to an audience that's interested in health and fitness as those types of products, guys. So have a think about that. The next YouTube revenue stream is sponsorship income. Now, this is probably more one for the larger channels out there, but essentially a company or an organization will sponsor your videos. And that means in practice that you're going to give them a shout out. The exact wording will be agreed between yourself and the company.
Support for today's TIFO football video is brought to you by Manscaped.
Real professionals use Future Presents. They make PowerPoints look nothing like PowerPoint.
In exchange for them paying you a fee. The benefit for them is that if your channel is big, their brand is getting out there to your audience. So it works as marketing for that company. And you'll see these all over YouTube videos, and it's a great simple way to earn extra revenue from your videos, guys. Again, you don't have to be monetized for that, but I think it's an area that tends to work for the larger channels, which by default are already monetized. Next up, guys, is Super Chat. This is a relatively new revenue stream. It was introduced in 2017, I think, for those of you that like to do live streams. It allows viewers to pay to pin a comment on the live stream. So when you're doing a live, you'll have comments popping out throughout the live stream. And sometimes you'll see comments right at the top. That's a pinned comment. And it's there because a viewer is paid to do that. So Super Chat allows viewers to pay to pin a comment on your live streams. So when you go live, your viewers will see a cash symbol in the chat window, and they can click it and set a dollar amount and pin their comment to the top of the chat board. Now, there's no set amount for them to do this, so your viewers can basically decide what amount that they'd like to send. It's really out of their own discretion. So it's a flexible, no pressure ways for your viewers to support your channel, to support your content, but they choose the amount. And again, guys, you need to be monetized for this. So you need the 1,000 subs and the 4,000 watch hours. The last and probably most common YouTube revenue stream is the AdSense revenue, guys. So you know when you watch a video and an ad pops up.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
And you have to wait 5 seconds and skip it, or sometimes they're unskippable. Bad idea, guys. But this is a revenue that you get by allowing third parties to place ads in your videos. And you can choose where in your videos that you place your ads. I mean, you can place 1, 2, 5, 10. It's up to you where you place them. Now, the number of views that you get doesn't always reflect on the revenue that you can earn, because YouTube only pays money on the ads that viewers watch in full or click. So this means that the ads themselves have to be engaging, and that's the advertiser's responsibility. You don't get to choose the kind of ads that are shown on your page, right? So YouTube places ads there at their own discretion according to the video's niche. So when my videos get monetized, subscribe, the ads that you'll see will probably most likely be related to finance, guys, stocks, and also property, because that's what I speak about. Those are the tags, those are the descriptions of my videos. So it will likely be those kinds of videos. So those are the YouTube revenue streams that you can take advantage of without being monetized, guys. I hope that was useful. If you're thinking of setting up a YouTube channel, there's lots of options out there available to you to become monetized. If you found this video useful, subscribe, guys. Leave a comment in the description sections below. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It helps to suggest this video out there to other people that might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys have a good week, and I'll see you next time.